sorry. So, ayan, I'm done with urea and madamanak tatay 80 grams. Sarang ka. Tapos na start adi crabs. Kailangan iti pyruvate. Pyruvate is a 3-carbon. 3-carbon is una. Tap na mga sarma dito pyruvate. Dapat pagbali ng mga acetyl-CoA. O kasa ng obrana niya eh. Diba? Pyruvate, pagbali ng mga acetyl-CoA. Kasi nang pagbali na ay 3-carbon nga pyruvate into 2-carbon acetyl-CoA. First, syempre 3-carbon aja ito 2-carbon. Wikat ka iti CO2. Dudua carbonan. Pero acetyl-CoA ko naman. Pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. Ikat 3-carbon, ikat ka iti CO2, mangtad ka iti CoA. Tapno, magbalin nga to carbon with OA. Tapos, ito sa sarang na enzyme kat pyruvate dehydrogenase. No word na dehydrogenase ka naman. Convert ka iti NAD+ to NADH. Ang acetyl-CoA mo. Tatan, o sar mo tatadya acetyl-CoA. Tapno, magtuloy ka dito crabs. Tatan, ay di acetyl-CoA, magbalin nga citrate. Which is 6-carbon isona. Kasi nung tatapagbalin ay di 2-carbon with CoA into 6-carbon. Siyempre, ikatong di CoA. Tapos, agad ka iti oxaloacetate na 4-carbon. 4 plus 2, 6. 6-carbon isona. Ano iti enzyme na ito ay? Citrate synthase. Tatan ay di citrate, ang galing isa nga isocitrate. 6 tata ate sa unang galingan na. Iti makaskas ang enzymes in ate ka aconitase. Tatan ay di citrate, ang galing nga alpha-ketoglutarate. At di alpha-ketoglutarate kat 5-carbon lang. Tap, adi isocitrate ka 6. So, ibig sabihin, gikat ka ti CO2, at nagbalin na 5, iti enzyme na kat isocitrate dehydrogenase. O dehydrogenase ko na namanin. So, convert ka iti NAD+. Tapos, iso na iti NAD+. Nagpawin na NADH. Alpha-ketoglutarate kan. Tapos, ay di alpha-ketoglutarate, tagbal ng succinyl-CoA. Damantik CoA nan. Ibig sabihin, ati succinyl-CoA kat 4-carbon lang ato. Kin dati CoA na from the name itself. So, ay di alpha-ketoglutarate, ay di carb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon lang iti alpha ketoglutarate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon lang. Adi 5 carbon yung alpha ketoglutarate. Nagbali yung 4 carbon with CoA. So, nagdikat iso na ti CO2. Nag-add iso na ti CoA. Ano ti masar mga kasat to alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Diba? Pero iti nga process ang anad iti nasar na. Ayun. So, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. So, nagusar ulit iso na itinal. Plus, nagbali na grabe, 6 minutes ako. Bali nga nag-H. Tapos, succinate ko, bali nga succinate. At succinate kat 4 carbon lang ito Diba? May cut di CoA. So, nag-remove iso na ti CoA. Tapos, tinasar na gamit ni enzyme ito kat succinyl CoA synthetase. Succinyl CoA synthetase. Itinasar na dito ikat GDP. Guanosine diphosphate. Nagbalin iso na nga GTP. Guanosine triphosphate. Ibig sabihin, nangala GDP iti phosphate group iti succinyl CoA. Tapos, may isang phosphate na ati GTP kat usaran ni ADP. Adenosine diphosphate. Tapos, nagbalin nga adenosine triphosphate. Tapos, since nakisayan ulit may isang phosphate ay GTP, mabalin iso na nga GTP. Sorry. Next, ati succinate, magbalin iso na nga fumarate. Fumarate is also a 4 carbon. Diba? 4 carbon. Sakto. 4 carbon iso na. Tinasaran dito ito at succinate at magbalin yung fumarate. Succinate synthate dehydrogenase. Succinate dehydrogenase. Since dehydrogenase, iti succinate to fumarate instead of NAD, iti inasar na kat FAD. So, adi FAD, balisa na nga FAD H2. Kasi agay. Tapos, adi fumarate, agbalin ni mali, iti inasar na kat fumarase. By adding water. Nag-adiso na iti water dito Agay. Ati malit kat 4 carbon net lang. Ati malit, then agbalin ni oxaloacetate. Iti nagkasaka niya na kat malit dehydrogenase. O dehydrogenase ulit, nagkasar iso na tinad. Tapos, NADH. Okay. So, to summarize this one, since duwa nga pyruvate iti nasar datoy, iti product na iti nausar dapat times 2 dahil. Ulit. So, acetyl enzyme lang yung product lang diba? Sa pyruvate, tugdog na acetyl CoA ito pyruvate dehydrogenase. Acetyl CoA ikam iti oxaloacetate, tagbal niya citrate through citrate synthase. Citrate synthase. Adi citrate, tagbalin niya isa citrate to aconitase. kinase. Tapos isocitrate ang bali ng alpha-ketoglutarate through isocitrate dehydrogenase. Tapos alpha-ketoglutarate ang bali niya succinyl-CoA through alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Tapos succinyl-CoA ang bali niya succinate through succinyl-CoA synthetase. Succinate ang bali niya fumarate through succinate synthetase. Ulit. Pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Acetyl-CoA citrate, mag-add ka iti oxaloacetate, kat ang bali niya citrate through citrate synthase. Citrate synthase ang bali niya isocitrate through aconitase. Isocitrate ang bali niya alpha-ketoglutarate through isocitrate dehydrogenase. Alpha-ketoglutarate ang bali niya succinyl-CoA through alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Succinyl-CoA ang bali niya succinate through succinyl-CoA synthetase. Succinate to fumarate, succinate dehydrogenase. Fumarate to malate, fumarase, malate to oxaloacetate, malate dehydrogenase. Yun. So, iti product na ate kat 1/3 part. 1/3 part iti product na. Since naminduwa aja nga cycle kasi duwa di pyruvate kat upat nga CO2, 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, and 2 ATP. So, the products include 4 CO2, 2 ATP, 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, and 2 ATP. Pero na single lang, iti lang product. 2 CO2, 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, and 1. Pero naminduwa 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, and 2 ATP. Okay. Dito tayo urea cycle. Diba urea cycle? Ano, nauman ako. Real talk, ito lang pala. Isa nga cycle natin. Net. Protein digestion natin. Protein digestion. Urea cycle, it is. Krebs cycle, it is. Glycolysis. Pero ano pa lang ang dadali natin? Ang carbohydrates. Okay, protein digestion. Uracil. To 40. Ano pinagbigos? Protein digestion. So, the protein digestion. This starts in the stomach. Protein digestion do not start in the mouth, but rather it's in the stomach. Ayan. So, target returns. So, gastric glands produces gastric acids. Parietal cells increases the acidity of the stomach. Hydrochloric acid has a pH of 1.5 to 3.5. It denatures protein. Destroy plant cell walls and kill bacteria, and also activate pepsin, glycoprotein. It is required for the absorption of vitamin B12 in the small intestine. In mucous neck cells, it secretes in acidic mucus of unknown function. Chief cells produce pepsinogen. Produces pepsinogen and lipases. Lipases digest 15% lipids. Pepsin cleaves amino acid with aromatic rings and breaks carboxylate. So, in normal terms. So, if the protein, protein, nag-reach siya di stomach. Tapos, di stomach, ma-sense ni Gift cells. Gift cells is responsible for producing pepsinogen. Secrete is one of the pepsinogen and lipases. Lipases for 15% lipids, digests 15% lipids, and pepsinogen, because of the acidity of the stomach or the HCl, it will convert siya into pepsin. However, there are two types on how pepsinogen is converted into pepsin. First, yung HCl na, and autoactivation. Yes, diba na-activate na yung pepsinogen into pepsin. So, these pepsins, it will break the protein into large peptides, polypeptides. Large polypeptides pa lang. Palang amino acid, large polypeptides pa lang. Kasi it will leave the amino acid with aromatic ring, tryptophan, tyrosine, and phenylalanine. Siya yan. Hindi lang stomach. However, ito naman pala sa small intestine, specifically in the duodenum. The duodenum, nudiji kami stomach, bolus tawag na. Pero nudiji, small intestine, chyme isunan. Diba? Tapos, since protein adiji duodenum, pag-secrete pa iti cholecystokinin secretin. Secretin will stimulate the pancreas to release water solution with bicarbonate to neutralize the chyme. Kasi nga, adi kayo mag-apo di stomach na acid. So, dahil duodenum, pag-secrete iso na iti water solution with bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is basic kasi ito ma-neutralize adi chyme. Kasi no acidic water, nawangot iti slack coverage adi small intestine, pwede siyang ma-damage. Yes. Diba? Tapos adi cholecystokinin, it will stimulate the acinar cells of the pancreas to secrete proteases. Proteases meaning that these are the enzymes that helps in breaking down proteins. Yes, proteases like trypsinogen and chymotrypsin. So, Di ba nitrogen? Trypsinogen that is released from the acinar cells of the pancreas. Nako-convert siya into trypsin by two ways ulit. First is the enterokinase, can convert native trypsinogen into trypsin, and also the autoactivation. Once na convert yung trypsinogen into trypsin, this trypsin will cleave the lysine and arginine. As the auto-activated yung trypsin, it will convert then the chymotrypsinogen into chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin will cleave the tyrosine and tryptophan. Moreover, it will also convert the pro-carboxypeptidase into carboxypeptidase and pro-elastase into elastase. Carboxypeptidase and elastase will cleave the carboxy end of the amino acid. So, yung sa stomach na protein into large polypeptides, yung proteases, yung large polypeptides, kinonvert nila into smaller polypeptides or small peptides. Siya yan, di ba? Tapos, the small intestine tayo, we have enterocytes. Enterocytes make up the bulk of the epithelium in the small intestine. There are two parts of enterocytes. We have the villi and crypts. Villi is responsible for absorbing nutrients and electrolytes, and crypts secretes intestinal juice that acts as a carrier fluid for chyme. Intestinal juice that acts as a carrier fluid for chyme. Moreover, at the enterocyte, i-hold ng brush border enzymes that cleaves amino acids. So, the agos-gasati. So, the convert the smaller peptides ngayon ano the proteases, iti amino acids. Okay. O, diba? Nagiging pancreatic proteases include the smaller peptides. Then, smaller peptides, nagiging brush border enzymes, ano yung aminopeptidase, dipeptidases, and carboxypeptidases. So, dagiti mga iti small peptides into amino acids. It breaks the oligopeptides and dipeptides into amino acids. Tapos, these amino acids will then absorb by the epithelial cells. Epithelial cells has two membranes. Kunwari ating epithelial cells. This is the apical membrane and this is the basolateral membrane. Basolateral membrane, ito yung apical membrane nila. Mapasok tong amino acids into the epithelial cell, then lumalabas sila sa basolateral to be delivered into the hepatic portal vein of liver. So, para makapasok ng mga amino acid into the epithelial cell, they use the transport. They use the secondary active transport chain. They use the secondary transport carriers like sodium and hydrogen. Para nangyayari yan. For example, this is the transport. Tapos, ang ano din kasi, for example, sodium. Like, sodium, this is an amino acid like, for example, sodium. Sumabay dagiti amino acids sa labas. Ganun. Sodium with amino acid sa labas. Ganun. Basta secondary active transport carrier. Hindi apical membrane. Tapos, lumalabas sila dito sa basolateral membrane through facilitated diffusion na siya. Like, labas na lang. May channel yan. Lalabas na lang silang ganyan. Channel in the basolateral membrane. Yes. Pero hindi lahat na nasa amino acid. We also have the dipeptide and tripeptide pa rin via sodium hydrogen sulfur. Kasi lang. Ano problema ko ulit? Milestone. Bye.